everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? How you doing? Anyways, stay tuned for this look. Starting with my brows, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush through them. I tinted them because I didn't feel like doing them for a few days or whatever, so I'm just brushing through them. They're tinted, I don't gotta fill them in, but I am going to clean and sharpen it up a little bit with some concealer. And to do that, I'm using my NARS concealer. It's a pot concealer in the shade Macadamia. I am also going to be putting the same concealer on my eyelid to act as an eyeshadow primer. It's just going to be a base before I put the eyeshadow, and it's going to make my eyeshadow pop. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush to blend it out. And then if you would like, you could use a sponge, but for me, I just like using a smaller, denser brush for this process. I just feel like it helps clean it up a lot quicker. Yeah. I also like to use the excess product that's on the brush and put that on the beginning part of my eyebrow. And this is just going to act as a faded look and help blend it out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take this shade by the Skin by Kim eyeshadow palette. I'm starting in my crease and then I'm just blending it outward. This part does not have to be neat or perfect, just blend it out. I do like to save some space for my eyebrow because I do like to add a lighter shade there. Now I'm taking that lighter shade that I mentioned and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my brow bone where my concealer is, set that, and blend it in with the shade that I already have there. Again, since it's lighter, it doesn't have to be too neat. Alright, so now I'm going in with this cool tone shade and I'm kind of using it as a liner, but not exactly because I'm going to blend it out. But I'm just placing it as if it was an eyeliner, a wing, and we're just going to diffuse it out. And as you can tell, these looks you don't have to be neat with. But anyways, we're going to add some lashes. These are Balm lashes in the style Olivia, and we're just going to add these on. Alright, so the lashes are on. Now I'm going to go in with these cream sticks by Merit. I have a lighter shade that I'm going to use as a highlight portion for my face, and then the other shade that actually matches my skin tone. The lighter shade I'm using is called Ochre, and then the other one is Camel. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend out this lighter shade first before adding the one that looks like my skin tone. And that's because I want them all to blend together, so I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow as well, which is why it's okay to be messy with eyeshadow. So just cleaning it up and making it sharp and crisp, and then we'll go ahead and add the cream stick that matches my skin color. Now I'm just going in with the shade Camel in case you want to match your skin tone to mine. That's the shade that I'm using, so I'm going to go ahead and put that everywhere that I didn't put the lighter concealer. Now for this part, I'm just using a brush And I'm gonna go ahead and use that to blend everything out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set my concealer with some setting powder. This is a mix of different setting powders and I just put in one container. I do have a video on that. However, yes, I'm just going to go ahead and set this concealer, the brighter shade. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this Halo Glow cream stick, liquid stick actually, by e.l.f. and I'm gonna go ahead and dot that in the places that I want to help bronze and add some dimension to. Now for my nose, I am just taking this, it's like a nose contour brush. I'm just going to use that to place the cream on my nose and just blend it out. And then I will be taking another brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend out the dots. Also, you don't want to mix this with powder or else it's going to get stuck and it's not going to blend well. So that's why I placed it outside of the powder areas. After that is blended, I'm just dusting off the powder that I had sitting there and making sure that is blended out. Now I'm just taking a brush and I'm taking a pressed powder that matches my skin tone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly put that all over my face. I'm taking some blush. You could use whatever blush you want. I tend to stick to powder blushes. And so I'm just going to use this powder blush and put it on my nose and my cheeks. It does look a little intense, so I'll go back in with the brush that I had the pressed powder on and help blend it out, which I'm doing right here, just so it looks a lot less harsh and pigmented. Now I'm taking this lip liner by Fashion Nova Beauty. It's their pinky nude shade. I think it's nude 3. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips and fill in the corners. And prior to this, I did add some mascara to my lower lashes to complete my eye look. Now the back of this lip liner pencil is pretty cool. It has a little brush on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush and blend it all together, and I think it looks so cute. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this lipstick by Rare Beauty. It's in the shade Talented, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that in the center of my lip. Now I'm taking this lip gloss by Skin by Kim. I'm not sure what shade it is because it's not labeled on there. However, I think it's one of the first few shades. It's very pale, very pinky, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on top of my lips. So now this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, peace.